Alliance between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress for the Chandigarh mayoral elections has collapsed, with both parties deciding to go solo, significantly boosting the BJP's prospects ahead of the January 29 election. The breakdown of the AAP-Congress tie-up came even before the nomination process began. Aam Aadmi Party's Punjab in charge, Jarnail Singh, on Thursday announced that the party will fight the Chandigarh mayoral election on its own. This is going to be a big boost to the BJP as the in the Chandigarh mayoral polls, as the Congress-AAP alliance seems to be breaking down. It will also be interesting to see how this is going to work out as far as the larger politics of Punjab is concerned. Jarnail Singh has announced very clearly that there will not be any tie-up for the Chandigarh mayoral polls. They have rejected any reports of a tie-up with the Congress, even as reports had been coming in of possible joint strategy. Aman Bharadwaj is joining me on this story. Aman, there was reports earlier that there could be some sort of a joint strategy to stop the BJP in the Chandigarh mayoral polls, but clear statement now coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party's poll in charge.
Exactly, Anisha, and Aam Aadmi Party and Congress, they both have candidates also who are filing nomination today, because today is a nomination day, and for post of mayor, deputy mayor and senior deputy mayor, for all these three posts, both the parties are filing nomination, and they have clearly stated that there will be no alliance. Even in 2024 Lok Sabha, they gave a joint candidate Manish Tiwari from Chandigarh, and also previous MC polls they fighted together to defeat BJP, and now also they have 35 votes of councillors and 1 vote of MP Manish Tiwari in MC Chandigarh. And for these mayoral posts, 19 votes are required to win the election. And Congress has 6 councillors, BJP has 18, and Aam Aadmi Party has 11 councillors. So which sum up to for if there was an alliance, 18 councillors were in alliance of BJP, of Aam Aadmi Party and Congress, but now there will be no alliance. So it has made the situation more interesting, that how could they be now defeating BJP, and what strategy is BJP will be playing for to.
All right, Aman, we'll see what strategy will happen in the Chandigarh mayoral polls, but for now, AAP and Congress to go solo.